Welcome to a visual feast of contemporary design and smart space utilization. Join us on a cinematic modern small apartment interior design tour, where every detail is a testament to the fusion of style and functionality. Here are some tips for designing a modern small apartment interior. Open concept layout. Embrace an open concept layout to maximize the feeling of space. Avoid unnecessary walls or partitions that can make the apartment feel cramped. Neutral color palette. Opt for a neutral color palette to create a sense of openness and airiness. Light colors, such as whites, creams, and light grays, can reflect natural light and make the space feel larger. Multifunctional furniture. Invest in multifunctional furniture that serves more than one purpose. For example, a sofa bed, a dining table that can double as a workspace, or ottomans with hidden storage. Smart storage solutions. Utilize smart storage solutions to keep clutter at bay. Consider built-in cabinets, wall-mounted shelves, and furniture with hidden storage compartments. Strategic lighting. Use strategic lighting to enhance the ambience and visually expand the space. Incorporate a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a well-lit and inviting atmosphere. Mirrors and glass. Integrate mirrors and glass elements to amplify light and create the illusion of more space. Mirrored furniture, glass tables, and large mirrors can contribute to the sense of openness. Vertical design. Make use of vertical space by incorporating floor-to-ceiling storage units or shelving. This draws the eye upward and makes the room feel taller. Minimalist decor. Embrace a minimalist approach to decor to avoid visual clutter. Choose a few statement pieces and keep decorations simple and cohesive. Scale and proportion. Pay attention to the scale and proportion of furniture and decor items. Choose appropriately sized pieces to avoid overwhelming the space. Natural elements. Integrate natural elements, such as plants or natural materials like wood and stone, to bring a sense of freshness and warmth to the modern design. Flexible furniture arrangements. Keep furniture arrangements flexible to adapt to different needs. Consider furniture on wheels or lightweight pieces that can be easily rearranged. Smart technology. Integrate smart home technology to enhance convenience and efficiency. Smart thermostats, lighting systems, and home automation can contribute to modern living. Personalized touch. Infuse your personality into the design through artwork, textiles, and decor items. Personal touches add character to the space. Declutter regularly. Regularly declutter and organize to maintain a clean and airy feel. Donate or store items that are not essential to prevent the space from feeling cramped. Floating furniture. Opt for furniture with exposed legs or a floating design. This creates a sense of openness by allowing light to flow underneath. Modern aesthetics. Immerse yourself in the sleek and sophisticated design elements that define modern living. From furniture selections to color schemes, every choice is curated for visual appeal. Cinematic visuals. Experience the apartment like never before with cinematic visuals that capture the essence of each room. Dynamic camera movements highlight design features, creating an immersive viewing experience. Innovative storage solutions. Discover clever storage solutions that keep the apartment clutter-free without compromising on style. See how practicality and aesthetics go hand in hand. Functional furnishings. Marvel at the selection of furniture that balances form and function. Each piece serves a purpose while contributing to the overall design aesthetic. Design details. Color palette. A harmonious blend of neutral tones and accent colors. Space-enhancing elements. Explore techniques to visually expand small spaces. Multifunctional spaces. Witness how rooms serve multiple purposes. Small space, big style. Whether you're seeking design inspiration for your own small space or just appreciating modern interiors, this tour promises to spark creativity. Remember, the key to designing a modern small apartment is thoughtful planning, creativity, and a focus on maximizing both style and functionality in a limited space. Like, share, and subscribe. If you're captivated by the modern design and cinematic presentation, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more design inspiration.